We are Adasoft Software Training Services. This is the video tutorials for the beginners in SketchUp software.
In this video, we will discuss about how to draw a rectangle in SketchUp. Rectangle is a draw tool in SketchUp. You can access this tool under Drawing toolbar or by typing Command R. If Drawing toolbar is not showing in your window, please turn on this option in Toolbar menu under View tab. Click on Rectangle tool. Click to set first corner. Then move cursor diagonally. And click to second corner, or you can enter the dimensions. Before doing this, using left arrow, lock the cursor to draw in surface perpendicular to green axis. Right arrow locks the cursor to draw in the surface perpendicular to red axis. And up arrow locks the cursor to draw in surface perpendicular to blue axis. All the corresponding colors will be highlighted when you press these arrow keys. But when you select down arrow, it will lock the cursor to drawing parallel to the same surface what you have drawn lastly. While drawing, if you hold Shift key, it helps to lock the inference. Thanks for watching this video.